In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove or stop those annoying Android system notifications that keep popping up. First, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Notifications. From here, tap on Advanced Settings. Now scroll down and look for Manage Notification categories for each app and turn on the toggle. Now go back to the previous page and tap on App Notifications. In the top right corner, tap three dots and select Show System Apps. This will display both system and third-party apps. Scroll to the list and select the system app you want to stop notifications from. Since system apps don't allow full blocking, you can turn off sound and vibration and deselect lock screen and other options. This effectively silences notifications from that app. Repeat the same steps for other system apps you want to silence, and that's it. You have now successfully removed unwanted Android system notifications. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.